Hello there, let's talk about the MubView Smart PTZ Indoor camera and the SD card, where you can insert the SD card into the camera. If you take a look here on the bottom of the camera, there's no slot for the SD card because the SD card is just right here. Okay, I have it here. There's a slot here under this part. Okay, so you need to move the lens up to be able to see the slot here. So just be careful because if you move using your fingers here, you can break the engine of the camera. The camera moves up and down, also moves left to right with the pen movement, so there's an engine inside. You cannot break it, right? So the best way you can do is just use your cell phone and then you can move the lens. Let me just show you here, the camera there, and bring my cell phone here. So here we go. And here you can see that you can move the lens when I click here. I start moving the lens down, you see? So basically the lens is looking down now and I can make it look up. So I press here again on my cell phone and I see it's going up, up, up. And I can go as high as possible so I can see here the slot for the SD card. Now I can see it and then I can remove it. Okay, but before I remove the SD card, it's better to turn off the camera because the camera can move while you're trying to remove the SD card and then you can break it or you can damage your SD card, right? So it's not a good idea to remove while you have the camera on. So I'm going to unplug the camera. So I'm pulling the cable here and now I can remove the SD card. So I just press here and the SD card is released and then I can just pull it from here. Okay, so here you go. I have it here. And then to insert again, I just need to put it here that way facing you, right? And it just put that way. And you insert it here. Push it. And you're good to go. Okay? Put your camera back into place. Then you turn the power again. I'm just connecting the cable again. Wait for 30 to 40 seconds so the camera can boot up. You see also the LED here. The camera is coming up. Then you can start using it again. Okay, so basically that's the way you can insert the SD card. Just make sure you make the lens comes up. You see the slot here and you can insert it. And also you can use a good SD card for camera recording, right? So I will leave the link here in the description for a good SD card, okay? And then you're good to go. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.